Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. In this episode, we are going to discuss about floating point number precision and memory requirement. You know that in the previous episodes, we have used two kinds of variables. One was float and the other was double. Now I want to tell you the difference between float and double. So float variables usually take up to 4 bytes of memory and they have about 7 significant digits. 4 bytes of memory is about 32-bit. But the variable of the type double usually takes up to 8 bytes of memory and they have about 15 significant digits and they can store 15 significant digits, which is twice as much accuracy as float variables. 8 bytes of memory is about 64-bit. And most programmers use double in their programs, and double is more than enough for many applications. Also remember that by default, C treats floating point numbers like this number as a type double. In the source code, these values are called floating point literals. Also, it's important to know that we have a longer type of variable which is called long double, and it takes about 12 or 16 bytes of memory, but it's not very common to be used in our programs. Here we talked about significant digits. Now I have a few examples of significant digits for you. It's not a discussion to be discussed in here, but I have put some examples for you to understand what a significant digit is. So at the end, we can conclude that basically for floating point numbers, we can define them either as float or as double or as long double, and each one of them, they have their own memory requirement, and each one of them can store different number of significant digits. That's it for this episode. I hope it has been useful for you, and I will see you in the next episode.